What are you doing?
Intro.
Oh, okay. Curious.
What are we doing?
We're making microwave fudge with
2 ingredients.
chocolate chips, milk chocolate, or suggest.
Not sponsored. Sweeten condensed milk.
Oh jeez.
It's fine. Alright.
Sweeten condensed milk.
Put in the chocolate chips and then
I put in 3 cups of chocolate chips. Two cups. A lot.
That
was violent. And one more cup.
One more cup and then I'll add in the milk. Oh, too much.
That's good enough. 3 cups. A lot of chocolate chips. Basically the whole bag. Oh jeez.
Bring the camera down here. See what we're working with.
Oh, look at that. So it looks like, what do you call it?
Looks like whatchamacallit?
Custard. Fingers and custard. No, sorry. It's copyright. Doctor Who.
Nah, it's not copyright.
Okay. Hands.
BT Dove, we're not sponsored.
Not sponsored.
Oh, it's so sticky. Look at the can. Wait. Some live can action. Did you really just do that?
Oh, no. Blah,
Blah.
blah.
Alright. Alright, now we mix it together with a whisk. Our whisk. Where's the whisk? Where'd you...
Beside you.
With our whisk.
Put on... Oh, jeez. We should have probably used a spoon.
Yeah. Violently bang against bowl. We'll use the fork.
In the whisk.
No, it's not. I got this. Have you not heard? I'm a professional. Yeah, plans. See, boom.
Good, I'm good.
Alright, you mix now.
I mix. Yeah.
Why is it crackling?
Because of the settling into the chocolate chips.
Yeah, sorry about the bad angle shot.
Smells. Woo!
Alright.
Oh my god. I broke the whisk.
Alright, then you want to toss this beautiful mixture in the microwave for 1 minute.
It looks nice.
Alright, do
1 minute.
beautiful microwave. Is this a microwave safe bowl?
What?
Is this a microwave safe bowl?
I don't know.
It's plastic.
Let's just assume before it blow the house up. 1 minute, not 10 seconds.
I have a microwave right now.
Bum, bum, bum. Plays.
Waiting dance.
Bum, 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 bum. That's Jeopardy. Never mind. I'm out. Nope. Goodbye.
You did not. 12 seconds.
9 seconds, which probably looks like a snake. Or crab. No. The angle. Beep, beep, beep.
Oh goodness, it's
Like a car alarm.
very hot.
Very hot.
Be careful.
So good. Ooh.
Look at that goodness. So maybe we should chill it. It's supposed to say, it says you're supposed to chill it for 2 hours, but we don't have time like that, so
We got time for that.
we're gonna throw it in the freezer for 15 minutes.
Me.
Oh, it smells wonderful.
It smells like fudge.
Really?
Yeah.
What are we making today?
Fudge. Or chocolate chips. Birthday cake. No, not birthday.
No, we should have mixed this with a spatula scraper.
Oh, jeez. We have one.
Whatever, someone gets to lick the whisk. Would you reckon your mom would?
Yeah, she could lick. Mom could lick the lid.
Oh, licks the ladle.
Stop dying.
Stop dying.
I don't have time for
Where's your
that.
spatula? I don't have time for you dying.